Let's now understand the introduction of this lesson. The name of the lesson is Formulas, Functions and Chart. In short, we will call it FFC. So formulas, as you all may have seen, like we do mathematical calculation, we make charts. There are different kinds of charts and do the mathematical calculations. You may have seen the school results, and sometime you can understand in the pictorial presentation. In mathematics, it is many a time used: plus, minus, multiplication, and percentage, averages. All these formulas, functions, and charts are useful while doing mathematical work. So it is very easy to put formulas and function to do your work in easier way. It is used at many places. Let's now understand the objectives of this lesson. First objective is we all can use formulas of plus, minus, division, multiplication. All the formulas you will understand, and so that you can use and get your desired results. The second objective is to insert and edit any picture from any file. How, that I will be explaining to you in this video. The third objective is to use functions, all the functions of plus, minus, all the mathematical operations, how to use them. Then below that is the fourth objective, that is you can create various charts. There are different kinds of chart, how to create them. I will explain them all. Then the last objective is how to draw using the clip art. That also I will be explaining. See, you all can see on the screen this red border, and this is used for various formulas. All these mathematical operations are used under this: plus, minus, division, multiplication. So all the functions are inside this box. So you can click with the help of mouse. This button is known as formula button. This is formula bar. Like whenever you have to do any calculation, plus, minus, more than or less than, I will explain using the pictures. In the picture on the screen, you can see various red circles. Please notice them all. You may have seen and observed all the red circles. See, in the table, there are few names written there and subjects like physics marks, and then chemistry marks, and after that mathematics marks, and then English subject. These are all subjects, and below that there are few marks written. So at last, when you have to find the total, so how would you do the calculation? For example, you can see the first circle B, and just below that B, physics marks, and you see the row number, student, who is the student, and the roll number 4, that is row number 4. So you have to match that cell from B4, that is 84 marks. So that cell number is B4, and you have to add B4, and after that chemistry marks are under the column C, and then after that mathematics marks are under the column D, and similarly English marks are under the column E. So in the F column, you will write B4 plus C4 plus D4 plus E4. So this is used for editing, for addition of all these. And then you will click the OK, next button, and you will automatically find the total of all the marks of physics, chemistry, mathematics, English. So this is the easiest way. If you want to do some more calculation, so you can just do similar addition. You will just drag the mouse and select the cells. You will automatically get the total, like you can see on the under the red marking. So apart from this sum total, there are other functions also, like average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, and many other functions that you can see under that on the screen. There is a pop-up. When you click on that, you can see sum, average, count number, maximum, minimum, more function. Now you are watching a new word, that is sum if, on the screen. What does it mean, sum if? For example, there are some numbers, you have marks more than some particular marks and you have to choose the marks which are more than, just take example of 70, marks which are more than 70. If 44 is less than 70, then it will automatically deselect this number. So sum if, it means you want the total of only those numbers which are greater than 70. So similarly, the cells would be added according to the if number. Like you already have mentioned in the function bar, it should be more than 70 or less than particular number. Like in this table on the screen, it is written 70. So you can choose any number. Accordingly, it will do the calculation. If in case you missed the number, then the total would be wrong. So we should be careful about the minimum if and maximum if number. And after that, when you're selecting max if or sum if, then I will show you how to do this. Then you will automatically get the total of sum if. So how you got 250? So that is the total of only those numbers which are above 70. So it has automatically chosen only those numbers which are more than 70. So sum if is used for that purpose only. It is important. Let's now watch this average function. What is this used for? You all know that in exam, when you get results like 60%, 70% or 80%, how do you get this percentage? In the beginning, when you have the list, and suppose you have a worksheet and you have columns with this such tables, and here you can see the column B has physics marks and E column has English marks, and you want to find the average. So the first beginning where the marks are beginning, that cell is B4 and the last cell is E4. So the range of the cells is starting from B4 till E4. So accordingly you will put the formula, that is average, and you will just click, then automatically you will get this average percentage. So here it comes as 79.5. So you need to select the range from which cell till which cell. And this is really very easy. You need not just type the numbers and think about marks. No, it will do every calculation automatically. Let us now understand this minimum function. You can see on the screen, for example, you need to do the calculation of marks which are below 50. Then how will you start? Suppose you have a table, you have to select that range, from which range till which range. For example, in this table which is on the screen, it is from B4 till, you have to just see under the column B and row number 4. So this is B4, and you easily can understand it through the red border. It is easy. You can find the marks which are below 50. On the screen you can see this is 68 is the minimum. You want to find the minimum, so it has all automatically chosen the minimum marks. So similarly, in class where there are many students, this function is used for automatic calculation. It automatically shows the student's name who having less marks. Now let's understand the max function. Earlier we had talked about the minimum function, and now this is different. So max function is used for marks which are more than. It is kind of similar procedure. You just have to put in the range like B4 till which range. It is in the ratio format from B4 under the column B, and row is number 4. So the cell is B4 till E4. So E is the column and 4 is the row. And here again you get the maximum, that is 91. So from this range to this range, you want to find the maximum or you want to find the minimum. Accordingly you put the formula. I hope you understood. It is really very easy. Now we will understand this sum if. We have already understood. We have already understood average. Then also minimum function we have covered, and maximum also we have covered. But now this is something different. Suppose we have these 4 columns and we have selected all these sum if, average, minimum and maximum, and this is under the red border which you can see on the screen. We can copy the formula by selecting this. So this is also very easy. You must be thinking about the auto sum, plus, minus and average, count number, maximum, minimum. And at last there is a red rectangle. It is showing another box that you can see and understand. It is really important. After that you can click on OK button. Now we will talk about charts. Charts are really different types, and they allows you to present data in different formats in the worksheet. You can see on the screen. So you all have seen there are different kind of charts. So the first name is column chart. In this we have many columns, and the second chart is line chart. The line chart has many lines. It is in the line form. The third chart is pie chart. It is in the circle form and it is divided in some ratios inside the circle. So, that is known as pie chart. The fourth is bar chart. Bar chart is also horizontal and vertical. Then at last, that is area charts. It is in the form of mountain, like you may have seen different mountains. So, similarly, there are different kinds of chart. You can select as per your choice and use it for different presentation. But people doing mathematical calculation results, they all use different kinds of charts. So, you can choose any chart as per your selection. Let us now see on the screen. This is a chart where students' names are written and physics marks, then chemistry marks, then mathematics marks and English marks are written. So, subjects' names are written there and students' names are written, and also marks are there in the table. And you have to just select, drag the mouse with the help of click button, and you have to select the area from this area till this area, and then choose this column to go to this chart option, and you have to select any format or any design which you want to choose. When you go inside that, you can see on the screen how does it look. So, below that you can see the table. You can choose any style as per your choice, and then you will get this selected graph. I hope you understood. So, similarly, there are students' name written and science, physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, all the students' marks are written there, and then you click, then automatically that graph would be presented in color format that you can see on the screen. And in the picture you can see the colors, colored columns. They are showing, suppose in this picture physics marks are shown in the blue color and red marks are shown for chemistry subject, and then green marks are for the mathematics marks, and then purple marks are for the English subject. So, similarly, you can understand the marks of the student. So, in pictorial form, it is really easy to understand, that you can easily see on the screen. I hope you all understood. Let us now move ahead. In this data table, if you want to put some more color or you want to put some more numbers, if you want to add some data in this, then you can do that with legend option that you can see on the screen. That red border you can see, when you will click on that, there will be a pop down opens up. There you can choose as per your choice and then select that, then choose OK, and then accordingly you can see the picture. So, this is the column chart where students' names are written there and the marks are shown from 0 till 100. So, accordingly 80, 90, whatever marks are there, it is shown with the name of the students, and colors, they show the subjects. Like blue color, red color, green color and purple color for different subjects: mathematics, English, chemistry, physics. Such charts and functions and formulas can be used. It is really easy to understand the colors with the help of subject. If you want to add more subjects, you can see on the screen. Earlier we understood that there were no marks. Now in this chart, marks are also shown. Below the name, you can put the marks to make the table more clear. So below the student's name, you can see the marks of the students is written. So you all have understood that it is really very easy. If you don't want to put colors, you can change the color as per your likings. You can put green, blue, any color which you want. So till now we have covered all this. I hope you really enjoyed and gathered so many information. Thank you so much.